Hello, Mom and Dad Meet World. So I hope you are doing very well. This is a different recording setup than what I was gonna use because I was gonna use the Canon M200 on this Mac Mini, and the Mac Mini is not working right now. I don't know why. We're gonna figure that out another day. But there was something that was not even on my radar. I was actually looking at this DJI Mic 1 and to see how it compared to the DJI Mic 2. So I started looking at the DJI Mic 2 videos when something else popped on my YouTube feed, and it was this guy right here. This is the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, and it wasn't even on my radar because I've got the 15 Pro Max here, I've got the Sony a7 IV, and I've got a small lens setup here in the 28mm f2 lens for great video quality. But when I saw the video on these, or I've been watching many videos on these guys right here, this Osmo Pocket 3, so it's got a 1-inch sensor, it's got the gimbal built in, and this particular creators pack also has a DJI Mic 2 included in this bundle, or fingers crossed, we hope it does, because as you can see right here, this is a Best Buy open box model because it was going to take a week or two for it to get there, and it just happened to be at our local Best Buy, and it was just a little bit off of retail price, not that much off of retail, maybe not even 5% discount. I know that's really odd, but they had it in stock, and hopefully we will get to open this up on another video and make sure everything is in here as it says it is, because there's supposedly a lot of stuff that comes in here, but again, not even on my radar. So I've got the Sony a7 IV, I've got the microphone hooked up, the DJI Mic 1, and then I've got the DJI RS3 mini gimbal right here. So I got to thinking about this because I was thinking, we did something last year where we went to Hawaii and we actually got to hike Diamond Head. Diamond Head was awesome, and I was actually using this actual setup right here to hike Diamond Head, and it got a little bit heavy, even though this is the mini, RS3 mini, and the smaller a7 IV with this small lens. And I had a boom mic on here at the time, but I've got this particular setup right here, the DJI mic, the original. And I was just thinking, and I actually thought I saw somebody with the DJI Osmo Pocket 1 or 2 because it looked like this, but just had a smaller square screen. I actually thought it was a toy. And but I saw them going around Diamond Head with this version 1 or 2 of this, and I'm going around with this. So don't get me wrong, I got great video quality, and this does have dual redundant memory cards. For some reason I did end up losing about 10 plus video clips, but you know, that's a different story. But long and short of it is, this can be a lot more discreet than this right here, and with the 1-inch video sensor on this particular camera, and with the built-in gimbal, discretion can sometimes be very much so your friend, because you don't want to, you may not want to be seen with this all the time, especially if you are in maybe a restaurant and you're just wanting to film a few things, and maybe this right here would come in very handy, but yet would still provide that excellent video quality. So, as I said, not even on my radar, but we are going to give it a shot to see if something like this can replace something like this. So we're not talking all the time here. I mean, this doesn't have dual redundant memory cards. This one does have the ability for redundant memory cards, which I do keep on simultaneous record all the time. So, but if it could be taken with your phone, I think we could use this instead. So we're gonna see how it goes. So you know what to do. If you like this video, please hit the like and subscribe button. It really helps out our channel. Until next time, thanks for watching. bye for now. I'm gonna see what's up with this Mac Mini. I don't know why I don't have displays. That's not normal.